A web browser, in simplest terms, is your gateway to the internet because every website you visit is experienced through the browser. It's useful to remember that a browser is simply a software application. In the same way that a word processing application lets you edit documents, a browser lets you access the internet. Given that the internet is becoming integral to most areas of our lives, some would say that a browser is the most important software application on our computers. Web browsers are free to download and install, and currently the four most popular and powerful browsers available are Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, and Chrome. When choosing which browser to use, things to consider are speed, how long it takes your browser to load web pages; security, whether your browser offers features such as pop-up blocking, antivirus, anti-spyware; features, are there apps and downloads available for this browser? All four of the listed browsers are safe options, and ultimately it comes down to individual preference. Firefox is an increasingly popular browser and is available on both the Windows and Mac platforms. As a result, in this tutorial, we will use Firefox to demonstrate the features of a browser. If you don't have Firefox, it is free to download at www.mozilla.com. But if you'd prefer to stay with another browser, many of the fundamentals which we'll cover are the same across all browsers. Most browsers have 6 main areas of the screen, also called the interface, which are integral to their functionality. These are the address bar, the mini search bar, the tab bar, the back button, the browser menu, and the vertical up-down scroll bar. The address bar is where you type in the address of the website you wish to view. Traditionally, browsers expected you to type in the specific address of the website. These days, the address bar in many browsers functions similarly to a search bar, in that you only need to type in a few keywords and it will offer you suggestions for the site you are attempting to visit. The mini search bar allows you to enter a search term or keyword, and using the drop-down menu select which search engine you'd like to search through. This saves you having to manually visit the search engine website before attempting your search. We've explored the idea of tabs in previous videos. Tabs essentially allow you to multitask or browse through a number of sites simultaneously, all within one browser window. In Firefox, if you click on the plus sign, a new tab will open. Now you can begin a new search using the mini search bar, or visit a new page while the previous page you were on is easily accessible on the tab to the left. Clicking on the Firefox button in the top left corner of the screen brings up the main menu. Here you can perform a number of tasks and customize a range of settings. We will look at a few of these options in a moment. The back button is an integral component of the browser interface. As the name implies, when we are searching the net, we are browsing. Whenever we click on a link in a website, we are taken somewhere else. Sometimes we want to return to the page we were just on. To do so, just click on the back button. Most websites are designed to extend below the limit of your screen. The scroll bar on the right of the screen allows you to view parts of the website which are below or above what you are currently viewing. Rather than clicking on the up and down arrows, you can click on the actual bar and drag it either down or up. Similarly, if your mouse has one, you can use the scroll wheel to navigate up and down a page. Each time you open your browser, it will automatically load what is called your home page. This is a page which you can define and is generally the page you visit most often. For some people, this might be their email or their Facebook page. Firefox has a new feature which lets you set your home page simply by dragging the icon in the address bar of your favourite page to the home icon in the right. Click Yes in the pop-up box that appears, then the next time you open your browser, this page will load automatically. Often you'll find a page which you wish to revisit a number of times in the future. In Firefox, it's easy to bookmark a page. In other browsers, bookmarks are known as favourites. Simply click the bookmark button, which is shaped like a star. Click it again to file your page and create a subfolder in which you can organise a number of your favourites. You can then access a page you've bookmarked at any stage by clicking on the Firefox menu button, then clicking Bookmarks. Remember, the Firefox button allows you to access the main menu. Here you can perform a number of tasks such as view your recent browsing history, access any files you might have downloaded, as well as view the range of apps Firefox now offers. If you're shopping online or using your credit card for anything, Firefox offers a colour-coded security verification system to check on suspicious sites. A green button means the site is verified and the ownership can be traced. Click on the button to see who the site is run by. Only buy items from sites which can be verified. Understanding these basic features and browser elements will allow you to confidently and quickly browse the web. If you're still unsure about anything, now that you know the basics, why not browse for the answer?